Hi, I'm Ronnie Jr. from Wire Metal Solutions here at Hampstead in County Durham. So at the minute we're manufacturing a lot of cappings for Defenders and series. So what we're looking at today is some associated parts that you might need when you're changing your cappings. So there's numerous ways you can change your cappings. One of the ways is by taking your roof and your side panels off. So we're going to look at some of the associated parts, what you might need for doing the job. First thing you might need is the seal that adheres to the side panel, which then sits on top of your rear tub. This one in my hand is for a Defender 90 hardtop or station wagon. We also do them for a 110 station wagon or utility and a 110 hardtop. If you've got a single cab or a double cab, we also do the seal for that as well. So when we've designed the seal, we've made it to OEM specifications. So it's made up with two different compounds, one 20mm thick, one 10mm thick as OEM, and to the same specifications of material. The next seal you might need is between the side panel and your roof. And this is our product since 1931. Now with the 1931, this is made long enough so it'll do a 110 van hardtop. So not only do if you've got a 110 station wagon or a 90, all you do is the longer length, you cut your required length, because that comes at 2.1 meters long roughly, just over. And when this has been made, it's been same again, made to OEM specifications. So it's injection molded corner, same as Land Rover. You'll have a slit in here and in there. And what the slits are there for is when you can put the needles in to inject for the injection molding. So we do the seals between the side panel and your roof. The other seals you might need, windscreen to roof. So there's two on there. You've got a rubber extrusion, which is a double bubble, which is basically it's done at two different compounds. So again, made to OEM specs, length and short. So that's your inner, which is our product since 1930. The next seal, which is your outer windscreen seal, is again same OEM specification, which is just a foam seal. Last thing you might need is fixings. So I'm going to talk you through all the different fixing kits we offer for fixing the side panel down to your rear tub. So this here is fixing kit 1107, and you can buy it as a full kit or you can buy the individual components. So the first one is part A, and these are either used at the front or the rear corner. It's a stud. So the stud is just BZP, bright zinc plated, but the washers and the nuts that are in it are all stainless steel. So next fixing kit is 1107B. So this fits on a 90 just behind your front row door, and it lines up with a stud from 1107A. So that fits on there. Then what you got is you got the plate on the back of it with the clinch nuts in, and that marries up on there. The little return on there stops it falling down the back, so you can use it to hold it, and the nuts marry up to there with the holes. And then you got M8 bolt and washer, which bolts that into there. Next one is 1107C. Now this fits halfway along your capping, and this rivets it down. So this goes on your side panel and then goes through into your capping. So what we've done different this time is we've used a little nut plate for getting it onto your body to make it a bit easier for fitting. But if you've got a 110 van, you'll need two of these along the middle. So the kit only comes with one if you're buying the kit. So if you've got a 110 van, you'll need to buy these an extra two 1107Cs separately. Lastly, you got 1107D. So when you open your rear door, this is either side of your rear door there. So you got your stainless steel plate, what goes in the corner, then bolts down through your into your tub. So all the fixings here are all 316 grade stainless steel. So if you bought the kit, you get two of the A's, which is the studs. You get a B, which goes above the stud in the front. You get a C, which is the centerpiece, and you get a D, which goes very back corners beside your rear door. And again, if you fit this to a 110 van, you need to buy an extra two of the C's, which is also mentioned on the website. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment or drop us an email and we'll answer all your questions. Thanks for watching again.